For a green future, sunlight will be essential to power our house, and Sigentor is right there for you. It is simple, safe, and flexible, and works well in all kinds of scenarios. With its 5-in-1 concept, Sigentor integrates PV and storage devices into a highly compact system and simplifies the installation within 15 minutes. If you are not sure about battery, Sigentor can also be battery ready. Sigentor EC serves as a hybrid inverter, and battery packs can be directly added in the future without any additional devices. Chances are that you want more batteries in the future, and that's why Sigentor is designed to be scalable. You can use 5 and 8 kilowatt-hour packs, either old or new, as you wish. Or you wish to reduce your electricity bill without solar, and Sigentor can make it with smart dynamic tariff control. It will store energy when the price is low and consume it in peak hours. The earning is visible to you every day. What if you have already installed other inverters? Sigentor can work seamlessly with other inverters through AC coupling, with all features powered on. Contact us to take a step towards a sustainable future. Sigenergy. Enjoy green energy.